Hi again, friends. Welcome back to my channel. I'm just going over a quick new kit that I have in the shop. It's called Atlas, and it is a full journal kit. So it has 10 background pages that you could use for, background pages or making different things inside of your journal, cutting them apart, using them for collage, any of those kinds of things, as well as 2 pages of digital ephemera that you could cut apart and put into the kit as pockets or tuck spots or note cards or that kind of thing. So we'll go through the whole thing as we go. So the Atlas kit has a overall kind of blue theme throughout, so you'll kind of notice that as we go. I wanted to include lots of different types of paper. So I have some ledger paper in here, some lettering paper in here. This looks like a little, some kind of label or something there. And then just some pretty paper down here. There's also a bird theme in this. I forgot to mention that as well. So you might see a lot of birds throughout, which I also kind of like. So there's different book pages in here, some invoices, just some, actually this was a fabric that I thought looked really cool. And then of course some vintage tape that you can kind of see throughout there with a pretty little bird there. There's another little bird here with some more papers, music paper, some book page sort of cover pages. This might even be a music page there, music page cover. And then a little coffee advertisement, some blue roses that I think was some wallpaper that I love. Another nice big bird there in the middle. I love that guy too. And then we have this one, which is kind of like a garden gazebo kind of thing. Little terrace or something to sit out on. A stamp there, a pretty little postcard. I love this little girl with sitting, trying to feed the birds there. I think that's really cool. Some more wallpaper and some handwriting on here. And another one, there's some tickets on this one. This is actually the back of a cabinet card, and another bird there, a little parrot or a macaw. And another one, this paper here is similar, although not the same. It looks like it might be the same artist that had done these two. So those kind of match as well, with some more handwriting and some more tape, of course. And then this one has a neat little bird cage on there and a part of a stamp on here and a label through there, more handwriting and more wallpaper on this side. So I love the way some of these came together. I think they look really nice. And here's another bird with an order sheet, some more lettering, which matches kind of the other one that had some lettering. So there's some lettering in here as well. And actually this was also a piece of fabric, a vintage piece of fabric there that's digital. And then this one, this is a nice big piece of wallpaper and more handwriting and another little bird down there. And then those are the 10 background pages. And then here are the ephemera pages. So I'll just kind of turn them this way. So this is a library pocket. So you would fold this up and fold them in, and then this would go on the front face there, and you'd have a nice little library pocket. And then this is the library card that would actually fit inside that library pocket once you put it together. If you have questions on how to put that library pocket together, I have a little video on doing that, and I will link to that down below. And I have some different pieces here too. So some of the pieces that were in the main kit, like that cool label, I kind of pulled out for you so you could use it as a little fussy cut item. And the back of that cabinet card I thought was really fun. So I pulled that out as well, especially because it has colors that match in there. And then here are some of the other pieces that you could use for note cards, or you could maybe create a pocket from them or a tuck spot or something like that, or even cut these down into tags. I think that would be fun too. So those are the 2 pages of ephemera and the 10 background pieces in my new kit, Atlas. And I will link to that down below if you'd like to check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.